When you're finished making your itinerary and you want to see how the finished product looks like to your customers, just go to the preview button in the upper right corner here. And the first thing you will see is a banner or a sort of hero image for your itinerary, which will be based upon the location of your itinerary. But if you want to edit these photos, just go to the edit button in the upper section here. And from there, you can press the edit button to the hero images. Here you see all of the images that are available to the hero image section, and they will work as a sort of a slideshow. Now you can toggle the option where it will toggle auto images, and these are images that are fetched based upon the attractions, destinations, accommodations, hotels, activities, or whatever that's in your itinerary, and it will be saved to your hero image section. But if you want to upload your own photos additionally to that, you can go ahead and first go to the Pixabay system that is available in any other aspect of the itinerary building process, and just search for a keyword like Scotland, for example, and it will offer some high quality free to use images for your itinerary. And when you're done selecting all of the pictures that you want to add to your itinerary, just press the add button. Now you can also upload images through your own system by dragging or dropping a file in the marked area, or choosing a file through your own system. So that will be in your downloads folder or any other folder that you save your images to. When you're done adding those photos, just press OK and they will be added to the hero image section. But you can also add images from URL. So you just paste the link of the picture that you want to add to your itinerary and paste it in the URL box here. And then just press add and the photo will be added to your itinerary. Now, if you have deselected some of the images, auto images that you have in your hero image section, you can actually copy the auto images and it will duplicate them or add them to the itinerary as well. So if you want to add some of these photos to the original photos that you added through your own system or through Pixabay, you can add the auto images as well. When you're done when you're satisfied with all the images you've uploaded to the hero image of your itinerary, just press save.